Hello everyone. Yeah. Welcome again to the channel. And today nothing. I just want to test out the microphone that um I bought in Shopee. So thank you 1111. It really helps a lot. But yeah, this mic I forgot what it's called, but I'm just gonna post it in here, somewhere in here, man. So yeah, it's pretty good. I've been using it for like weeks now, and actually months. I don't know, weeks or months. I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty good. As you can see, this is my old mic, by the way. The condenser. I haven't removed it because I think I'm gonna use it soon. There's something that I'm still looking for the things that I can use this one. But yeah, today I'll be checking and testing this wonderful mic. This is it. This is the mic. Boom. I really love the RGB lights in the back. So yeah, um, excuse me. I just finished eating. So today we're gonna sing. I'm not a good singer, by the way. That's a disclaimer. So this is just for the test of it. So yeah. Hanggang kailan maghihintay ang puso ko, nangungulila sa iyong mundo. Ang buhay ko sa bawat pintig ng pulso ay alay lamang sa iyo. Lahat ibibigay, basta't sa'kin ika'y huwag kang mawawala. Sabihin mo sa'kin kailan mali ang pag-ibig. Kailangan bang masaktan pa ating mga damdamin? Yakapin mo ako o hagan mo akong muli. Kang bibitiw, sabay nating lalakbayin ang langit. Paano magwawakas ang paghihirap ng dibdib? Sa Diyos ako'y nananalig. Ang ang buhay ko sa bawat pintig ng pulso ay alay lamang sa iyo. Walang ibang hangang, dahil itong puso ikaw lamang ang pinapangarap. Sabihin mo sa'kin kailan mali ang pag-ibig. Kailangan bang masaktan pa ating mga damdamin? Hanapin mo ako o hagan mo akong muli. Huwag kang bibitiw, sabay nating haplasin ang langit. That's it. I apologize for that. I burp. And yeah, so I don't know, I wish it. By the way, I'm so sorry because it's so dark. It's 5 p.m. now, and you know days are longer and nights are shorter. I mean, no, it's days are shorter and nights are longer. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you like it. Uh, I wish I'm not a good singer. I knew it, but If it's good, it's all the mic. Thank you.